Howdy fellas! In this video we will replace this busted screen of the good old Samsung Galaxy S9. While it's an old phone, it's still a solid one for a child who often breaks his stuff, and the repair parts are relatively cheap. We start by removing the SIM tray and heating up the back side of the phone. Just use a hot air blower all around the edges like this. This should melt the adhesive and make it easier to open. Not heating the plastic risks breaking the fragile backside. When you buy a replacement screen, you should also buy a spare back cover, just in case. It is just a few extra shekels. Along with the replacement screen you also get some very basic tools in the package, such as this handy prying tool. Now go ahead and pry this puppy open. Try to be gentle if you want to keep the Samsung logo on your original back cover. When we open the phone, you should start unscrewing and unplugging everything you see. I suppose it's obvious at this point that you need to be as gentle as possible to pull this off. There's lots of parts and screws. I really recommend using a rubber anti-static mat and an electric screwdriver. I put links to all this handy tech in this video description. Try to remember the order in which you disassemble this. It's also a good idea to take pictures of the process. It will save you time later when you will need to assemble it all back. The battery can be glued hard in place. Be careful not to puncture it with your bare paws. Anyway, just keep removing all the parts out of the phone until it is an empty shell. Get the new screen and transplant all the parts inside in reverse order. Take your time and always double check that all your little plugs are properly plugged in their sockets. I once had a problem where a camera app would crash with error messages. Apparently, the cause of this was that the camera plug wasn't properly inserted. So, this is why you should pay close attention to these pesky little details. So as you can see, replacing the Galaxy S9 screen is pretty much like any other Galaxy. A straightforward transplant everything process. If you are a handy person, it should be no problem to fix it yourself. Don't forget to put your SIM tray back in and enjoy the shiny new phone. Stay in school.
Oh my god.